High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies are all waiting for a Rainpear to fall. That great big one.
That Rainpear's so big.
So juicy. So yummy.
Come to Baba Blue, little Rainpear. Come to Baba Blue.
I'll help, Cloudbabies. I'll blow the Rainpear down. Whoa! Here it comes.
The blanky blanket. Quick! It's a lovely Rainpear. The best on the tree.
Rainpears are so yummy, yummy in my tummy.
We love Rainpears.
So do the sky horses. But who's going to have this great, big, scrumptious, yumptious one?
Me!
We can't all have it.
No, but how do we choose who gets it?
Have a race!
A race? What sort of race, son?
On sky horses, of course. The winner gets the Rainpear.
That's a good idea.
Where do we race to?
First one to ride round me and back to the orchard wins.
That isn't very far.
It will be.
Not too far, son.
Bye.
Come on, let's start the race.
Ready? Steady?
Bobo race! Bobo race! It's a big, long race, Bobo, and you're too little.
Anyway, it's too far for poor Skydonk.
Oh. Why don't you watch? That will be much more fun.
Bobo race!
Bobo race! Well, be careful and don't get in the way of the sky horses.
Whoa!
Bobo race!
Ready? Steady?
Bobo, go! Wait for Bobo! Up, Skydonk! Uh-oh. Greedy Bobs! Greedy Bobs!
Oh, no! I can't leave the garden in a mess like that.
Bobo, sorry.
Never mind. I'll tidy up.
Come on, Bilbo White. You can do it.
Come on, Skydonk. Oh, Bobo slow.
I tell you what, I'll give you a bounce. It's only fair. Here we go! Look at that. I've smudged my colours now. Baba Yellow!
Bobo fast!
Baba Yellow!
Oh no, Rainbow's all in a mess. I can't leave him like that. Don't worry, Rainbow. I've got my paint box. Where's my Skydonk?
Oh my! What's the rush?
It's a race!
And I'm winning!
Ha! Oh no, you're not, Baba Blue.
Bobo! Oh, look at me. I'm covered in dust.
Bobo, sorry.
Oh, well, I'll just have to blow it away.
Bye-bye, Moon.
Oh, dear me. There's still dust all over my face. Baba Pink! Baba Pink!
Well done, Bobo White. You caught up. Oh.
Baba Pink!
Oh, no. Moon's all dusty. I can't leave her looking like that. Don't worry, Moon. Baba Pink will have you clean in no time.
Come on, Baba Blue. Come on, Bobo White.
Skydog needs nap.
Why don't I give you a hand? You too, Baba Blue. Here we go.
No one can catch me now. I'm going to win.
I can't stop. Help, Baba Blue.
Oh, no. Sun can't stop spinning. I can't leave him like that. I'm coming, Sun. Cloudbabies all gone. Go on, Green Horsey. Come on, Yellow Horsey. Pink Horsey, come on. Come on, Yellow Horsey. Faster! Faster, Pink Horsey. Come on, Bobo. Come on, Skydong. You're going to win. Come on, Bobo. Bobo, win. Bobo, win. No, Bobo, you didn't win. We all won. Well, I would have won easily. If I hadn't stopped to help Sun, I had to tidy up the garden. I had to paint Rainbow. What about me? I had to dust the Moon. Well, I really won. No, you didn't, Baba Blue. Why not ask Sun?
It looked like a dead heat to me. You all finished at the same time.
Then what do we do?
The only answer is to have the race all over again.
We can't do that. The Sky Horses are too tired. And so are we. Then who gets the lovely, juicy, yummy, scrummy Rainpear? The biggest, sweetest Rainpear on the tree. Shh! What's that noise? That sort of scrunching, munching noise. It's coming from behind that tree. Skydong! Skydong's eating the Rainpear. Well, I suppose it's only fair. He did work harder than any of us. Skydong funny.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, everybody is very happy. And Skydonk is very full. Pardon?